In the age of smart technology, we focus on processing power and sleek interfaces. But what is it that holds everything together, ensuring reliable performance? For creators, a critical challenge emerges at the final stage: how to house a sophisticated electronic core within an equally precise physical world. Disconnected supply chains, endless communication loops, and uncontrolled tolerances turn the junction between mechanics and electronics into a point of risk and compromise. At TPS-Elektronik, we offer a different answer. We are more than a manufacturer. We are the translator and architect for your mechatronic vision. Our work begins with your PCB design, with a goal of seamless synergy between metal structures, thermal management, and the assembly process. This means we engage from the earliest phase. Through collaborative design validation, feasibility analysis, and rapid prototyping, we build manufacturability, reliability, and functionality into the product's DNA. This doesn't just speed time to market. It fundamentally reduces total project cost and risk. The result? Your innovation gains its most solid, dependable physical form, a complete product ready for the real world. We build the foundation upon which great ideas stand. TPS-Elektronik. Precision sheet metal. Integrated future.